We're going to turn next here tonight to that blockbuster settlement from Purdue Pharma, the maker of OxyContin. The opioid epidemic has killed more than 400,000 Americans. Tonight, Purdue agreeing to pay more than $8 billion in penalties. So will any American families battling addiction see any help from this? Here's ABC's Adrian Bankert.
It's being hailed by the federal government as a major victory against a company whose drug, OxyContin, is part of the public health crisis of opioid addiction that has led to the deaths of hundreds of thousands of Americans. Purdue Pharma pleading guilty to felony charges of defrauding federal health agencies and violating federal kickback laws for inducing doctors to prescribe those powerful opioids.
The kickback effectively put Purdue's marketing department in the exam room with a thumb on the scale.
The company agrees to pay $8.3 billion in penalties. Purdue Pharma is owned by members of the wealthy Sackler family, who will personally pay $225 million in civil penalties and agree to turn over control of their privately held company to a public trust. They say in order to facilitate a global resolution that directs substantial funding to communities in need rather than to years of legal proceedings. But not everyone is cheering today's news. Multiple states are still suing the Sacklers.
Justice was not served for the families who have lost loved ones and who've experienced such devastation. No one's going to jail, no one's going to prison. And worse yet, they've set up a situation where Purdue's going to be able to continue on.
And Adrian joins us live tonight. Adrian, those penalties that Purdue and the Sacklers are now paying, obviously many will want to know tonight, will any of that $8 billion actually go to helping families in this country fighting addiction, because this struggle obviously continues?
The deal still has to be approved by a judge, David, but we do know this, that the Department of Justice is saying that that money will go to redressing past wrongs as well as to new programs for the treatment and care of those affected by opioid addiction. And we also know this, Purdue is in bankruptcy, so it's believed that the government will receive far less than that $8 billion. David?
All right, you'll keep us honest on this, Adrian. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.